just woke up and Ghana, and in the morning everyone is ready preparing to go to school, and I'm here with other people too. So maybe they are doing other stuff. So sorry for that. I'm about to go take my bath. So I have to do my morning routine, my facial morning routine before I go take my bath. So I have some products here. Someone prescribed this product for me, Caris tomato and face. It's like sunscreen, and I have papaya day and night cream, and I have this soap here, rare rice soap, yeah, made in Thailand. So I'm about to use this product to see if I'm having severe acne. I'll first start by using the tomato. It's like a scrub. Yeah, it's like facial scrub. This is how it looks like. It's like a scrub. So I'll use scrub my face. I'll wait for some few minutes, then I wash it. I'm done washing the scrub, so I'm about to use the soap. I'm about to use the soap. And here is it. Rare. This facial sponge here, I'm going to use it to wash my face and take my bath. So after taking my bath, then I'll use other products. Hi guys, so I'm done. I'm going to take my bath, a little bit of makeup, and I'm about to go. I'm done having my jewelry, earring, and a little bag with my watch. Anyway, let me show you a gift before I go. I got a gift from my darling, from my friend, and I can't wait to open up with you guys. So let's open up the gift before we go, so that we see what's in. Okay.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time.
I'm here right now at my office, about to work. So I may not be able to talk to you through all this vlog, but I'm gonna show you everything. So like right now I'm at work and I'm about to work. So pardon me of any background noise. I'll see you guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade.
My laptop home. I need some wax on it here, so The work I'm about to do, I can't even do it well because my PC here is so disturbing me. See guys, my my PC here is also disturbing me. I can't do the work I'm supposed to do, so maybe I'll postpone it till tomorrow because that's my laptop home. I think because of the vlog I forgot to sell something, but all the same tomorrow I can come and do that work, yeah, or I can do that work home, then I'll submit it tomorrow at work. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me. Thank you guys, and I'm waiting for you guys to support me, share my channel for others to subscribe for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you, like, on my way to get a food, but I went to buy wache. Yeah, so guys, I went to buy wache, so I'm not to eat the wache, eat the wache. Sure. Yes, so I went to buy wache to eat, so you guys are invited. I just came back from work and I got a gift. I got a gift from a friend. I can't wait to open. I can't wait to unbox it so that we see what's in. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let me open the gifts so that I know what's in. Okay. Okay, let me open it. Hey, okay. That wrap also here inside. Say, okay, guys. So the box, yeah, and I have some wrap again here, and I have some book down saying, "Hey, Mayglow. I know you're a hustler. I know you hustle a lot. I love ladies who hustle." In your previous post, you guys all know that I was so eager to join the vlogmas thing, but only for me, my phone got damaged, so I couldn't join that trend like that. Vlogmas, so I couldn't post videos within December. So maybe that person, I posted on my community tab already. Yeah, I posted on my community tab like, "Hello vlogmas, J or nah," and a lot of people were saying yeah. So I should post videos, and unfortunately for me, I wasn't having fun to film my videos. I wrote a lot of videos, a lot of content there to create, but unfortunately I didn't have the tools, so my phone got damaged, and festive season, a lot of things going on, so I couldn't go get some immediately. So maybe I'm guessing maybe something like that. So you posted it on your community tab like, "Hey vlogmas, J or nah," and a lot of people were saying J, but on your comments I saw you say your phone got damaged. So here's a new phone I got to you. I plan on getting you the best phone you wish for, but hopefully I have this for you to use it for the meantime, so that we see what's next. Okay, so let me open the phone. I don't know, guess what phone? Guess. I'm guessing. Guess what phone? Because maybe maybe I was praying for camera, but even get this phone too. I'm cool and I'm so happy, but I don't know the phone. Let's guess the phone. Okay, let's guess the phone. So let me wrap. Let's open. Let's open. Let's open. Let's open. Let's open. Let's open. I'm so happy. In case you have something you want me to advertise for you, I'm doing it for free. I'm doing for free advertising. You can come give me something for me to wear, so that I'll show it camera for people to get to know you more or something. I do that for free. Okay, so just contact someone, just call a friend that Mayglow is doing the free offer. Okay, I'm doing that for free. If you check my Instagram page, I've been doing these things for people, so they're like, oh, Mayglow, it's so much. So guys, tell a friend to tell a friend to bring your goods. Maybe it can be makeup products, it can be facials, it can be dress, it can be jewelry, it can be anything. Okay, anything at all that you know human being may need, I'm ready to serve you guys. Okay, if in case it's food, if it's anything at all, okay, I can't wait, you guys. So let's go back to the thing. Now. I by fire, I even got let me see the phone. Okay, so I can only see the phone. Okay, not bad. Oh, I really appreciate you. Okay, you said I shouldn't mention your name, but I have to do that to appreciate you. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Godfred, for giving me these gifts. I really appreciate you. So excited about this, because gifting someone is not easy. If in case you don't have the heart to help others, you may not be able to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for the gifts. I really appreciate, and I'm hoping to bring out best videos, so that in case you see my videos, you'll be like, oh, that's my girl, you're doing amazing, you're using the thing I bought you or something. I've been calling you to thank you, but you're not answering my calls. You say you don't need any thank you message or something. So here's the big opportunity for me to use the thank you. So thank you so much for the gifts. I really appreciate, because you're really supporting my dream. In case you're watching me, I'm saying hi to you. Thank you so much. So guys, let's go and see the full view of the phone. Okay,
Taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you're winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen.
I'm about to take off my makeup to my evening facial routine before I get to bed, and see you next.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you're winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you're winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby,